Hello guys, welcome back with the puzzles in the puzzle page of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. Today's it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't have here newspaper, but usually the publisher publishes also the additional, and on Sunday I always do the additional, but in today's newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page. There are two puzzles left: the 3 Stars Sudoku and the binary Sudoku. But let me start with this one. After these two puzzles, I will do the rest of the puzzles also for the Friday edition. And this one will be number 7313. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the 1 star, if you compare the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, 28 should be a 0 stars, maybe a 1 star, and you need to be faster than 14, maybe 50 minutes. And if it's really a 3 stars, if there are a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. About the 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in this column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in the third row. Should be there. Need 2 here. Okay, and now. How about 1 and the 9. Okay, the 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the third row for number 1. Then, let me see. 1, 1. 1. Okay. Interesting. 4, 4. 4. Okay. And now. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 9. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah. Alright. 9. How about the number 4, okay. Need a 5 here, need an 8 here. 1, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, and look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left in this big square. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 9, 7, 4. Okay, and now 6, 6, and we need. Come on. 1, 1. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column be 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 supposed to be here. And we have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 and 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. Yes, the 9. Okay. And now 2, 2. 2, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, and look, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 and the 6. And we have a 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6 and 7. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7, need a 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5. Shoot down. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. And now. How about? Needed 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. Wait, not the 1. We already have a 1. Again, we have a 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. So the 8 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Well, alright. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5. No, we have a 3 here. Again, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 8 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 in the last, third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 8 should be there. We have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 8. How about the 6 then? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. 1 number left in this column for number, I believe, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, same numbers I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. Faster than 14-15 minutes, so it should be a 0 stars instead of a 3 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Oh, you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle left in this puzzle page, the binary puzzle 10 by 10. Until then, bye bye for now.